Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your hard money loan strategy with Groundfloor, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your hard money loan strategy with Groundfloor, start by assessing your current financial situation. Review your existing investments and identify any areas that may need adjustment. Next, gather all relevant documents regarding your previous hard money loans. Ensure you have a clear understanding of your investment goals. Research the current real estate market trends to inform your decisions. Log into your Groundfloor account, or create one if you haven't already. Familiarize yourself with the platform's features and tools. Navigate to the loan offerings section to explore available opportunities. Evaluate each loan's terms, including interest rates and repayment timelines. Compare the projects based on risk, location, and potential returns. Make use of Groundfloor's educational resources to deepen your knowledge. Engage with the community forums to hear from other investors. Once you find a suitable loan, proceed to make your investment. Monitor your investment's performance regularly through your Groundfloor dashboard. Stay informed about market changes that may impact your loan strategy. If needed, consult with a financial advisor for tailored advice. Periodically review your overall investment strategy and make adjustments as necessary. By systematically following these steps, you will effectively restore and optimize your hard money loan strategy with Groundfloor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.